Hello everybody, today I am unboxing finally this Rainbow High Ruby Anderson. I have been wanting to unbox for a while, but I haven't really gotten to it, so I hope you want to watch my review of Ruby Anderson Rainbow High. I really think she's very cute. So I don't have many Rainbow High dolls. I have one like what was it, Pacific Coast. I really like the colors on this girl. Okay, so let's see. I have my scissors and I have my so. This is really great when one can, keep the box if you want to, without ruin it completely. So look at this. Some kind of instructions. Okay. These are called like what? Swim and Style. Okay, Rainbow High Swim and Style. Okay, so you can wrap the dresses in different ways or something. I didn't know if it's just like a fabric. It's very nice kind of fabric though. It looks really shiny, nice and glittery, and also it's cute though. This is one of the cheaper Rainbow High dolls. She doesn't have like the jointed legs and all, jointed kneecaps on change of feet and everything. She's really pretty though. So I really the colors are like really like, she's really pretty to me. If you have like kids, help them to get these dolls out, or else they're gonna cut all the hair off or something. She is really pretty. I really like the red hair and the colors with her lilac purple eyes. And the joints are like this. I'm not sure about the makeup around the mouth. Look, it's like a black. They have painted like a black line, and it's not really perfect like here. Look, it's like, but she's still really cute, So okay, the bathing suit. It's well, she's painted underneath anyway, but it's a nice bathing suit. It's like, it looks good. Okay. And then here's like still like a pair of glasses and a handbag and shoes. Oh my god. Okay, okay, here are the shoes. Okay. And the handbag and the glasses. Okay, the glasses are see-through, so that's cool. So they're see-through but red, that's cool. Okay, I really had to take the package apart. So you're supposed to like be able to make this like a fashion piece in different kinds of ways, but I'm not sure. Okay, so the shoes, they are like soft. The heel is a bit stiff, but like soft, obviously. If there's a left or right, I'm not sure. Well, yeah, it's supposed to be like that, maybe. Okay, and glasses, they're like this. It feels like they're not gonna break easily. Won't break because I almost broke them for like before, so. And I'm not sure how they should fit that one. Okay. And handbag saying like Rainbow High. Rainbow marked, and this is like the to make like a skirt or something around her. I'm really good with this, on it. I really think she's cute. I'm not really into these Rainbow High dolls so much, but it's this one, Swing Style, and I think she's very pretty, you know. And Ruby Anderson. Oh, some things here. But I won't really collect these, I think, but she's really pretty and it's a cute doll. So if she's like cheap or something, so go get her. I'm not really the biggest fan of this, but because I have like collected Barbie since I was like a child, more or less. So Barbie is in my heart. She's really cute. She's really cute. I'm not really into Bratz and such, but is it the same company that makes Bratz and makes Rainbow High? She's so cute because some of the accessories, they remind me of Bratz. She's very cute. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're like a toy collector, doll collector, if you like Barbie dolls, surprise toys, the Caillou universe, Monsterverse, Godzilla and stuff, and some Disney, and so please like, subscribe. Okay, thank you, bye bye.